Hello guys and welcome back into new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change security question in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So here in our Salesforce page, you will need just to go to your profile. By clicking on your profile picture, you will need just to click on settings. From here, you will be able to find all your information. And basically, what we are interested in is your security question. So basically, for that, you will need just to change your password. Here in the Change My Password panel or page, we will find these options here. So basically, you can add your current password, and from there, you will need just to add any password that you would like, and then make sure to meet criteria for the password and go for a new password, and from here we will find the security question, and simply you will need just to add the answer for any security question that you would like, and for example anything. So you need just to confirm the password, and from here you will need just to choose any new question that you would like, and then add the answer for it, my answer, and from there you will need just to click on save, and make sure to have your current password, of course, that should be correct, and simply that's it. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.